What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to make the money. I'm Wasu, and today we're talking about Facebook/Meta's rally up 54%. Is it fake? Is it real? I wanted to get into it because this can be a life-changing opportunity or a big trap into losing more money. Let's talk about it. Guys, you know, here at Radical Investors, we are split. My brother Hamid, who's not here with us today, thinks that Facebook is at a price where you can absolutely get lots of gains. I think Facebook is a dinosaur company, absolutely losing money and absolutely getting ready to fall off of a cliff. There was a great Meta Platforms Inc. market-beating rally of the past few months. It's failing to convince some skeptics. I'm one of them, given how much money the owner of Facebook and Instagram continues to pour into building its version of the metaverse. Meta is the best performer in this S&P 500 index since the stock's recent low in November, gaining 54%. The bounce partially driven by the social media's firm announcement that it would slash more than 11,000 jobs, the first major round of layoffs in the company's history. Yet signs of skepticism abound. Even after the surge, Meta sells for less than half of its average earning price multiple of the past decade, and is one of the cheapest stocks in the NASDAQ 100 index. Its shares are still 64% below their 2021 record, and analysts on average expect the stock to gain a mere 7% over the next 12 months. The problem from the bear's perspective is that Meta's expensive bet on the metaverse and an immersive virtual world isn't going anywhere anytime soon and will account this year for a fifth of all costs. And it's stagnating because of changes in Apple's Inc.'s privacy policy that makes it more difficult to target customers with ads on its device. Meta will keep the company's expenses relatively high, said Lucy Dildle, Global Equities Portfolio Manager. There's a lot of execution risk at Meta, making it less of a bull case compared to the other mega caps. For the rally to go further, Meta might need to offer investors more clarity on some things, including its strategy to tackle competition from the social media rivals such as TikTok. Perhaps more critically, investors will want to see how much of a squeeze Apple's privacy policy changes is continuing to put on ad revenue. In February, Meta estimated that Apple's move could cause a $10 billion revenue hit for this year. And some of Meta's bulls hold out hope that Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg will pare further or give up entirely on his ambitions of spending for the metaverse. His hands may be forced by looming economic slowdown, which is curbing sales at tech companies. Okay, guys, I gave you a little bit of color in the article. I'm going to link the article in the comment section below so you can go read the full article. They put at the end some information that I didn't necessarily think was relevant. The main thing here is that there's a lot of people that do not believe in Facebook going forward. And guess what, guys? I am one of them. Right? I think that Facebook is going to have a tough time on the ad side. I think TikTok's ad platform is far better than Facebook's ad platform. On the metaverse side, a virtual, deep, immersive world is at least 5 years away, and it's not guaranteed that Meta is going to be the company that builds it. In the article, they talk about Meta's version of the world, Meta's version of the metaverse. And the problem with that statement is Meta isn't guaranteed to be the one that is writing and dictating what that world looks like. The right users are, and people that are crypto native, like myself and lots of my friends, just absolutely do not like metaverse. So I think absolutely do not like Meta's version of the metaverse, right? So I think from both sides of the coin, they are pretty much effed. And I think we're going to see Meta be one of those companies that do not make it big, or kind of one of those legacy companies. I think we're going to see Meta not be a growth company anymore. It's going to be very hard for them to get to the heights that they once were, just because I do not see them as a future-proof company. My brother will come on. He'll probably have other things to say, but this time I'm flying solo, so this time I'm flying solo, so I get to be the one to actually speak my opinions directly into the microphone. Guys, what do you think? Do you think Meta is going down? Do you think Meta is going to have a Lazarus moment and a rise from the ashes? Hit the comment section. We want to have a conversation. And as always, happy hunting. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.